Crossroads are key elements in driving, where two or more roads meet. They play a vital role in maintaining traffic flow and ensuring road safety. In this video, we will explore the different types of crossroads, how to approach and navigate them correctly, and the importance of observing traffic signs and signals. By understanding the rules and techniques for crossing at these junctions, you'll become a more confident and competent driver on the roads. Always keep an eye out for pedestrians and cyclists, and avoid distractions that might impair your focus. At these crossroads, you will come across various signs and markings that provide important information. One common sign is the give way sign, which indicates that you must stop at the line to traffic on the main road. Another important marking is the stop line, which signifies where you should stop your vehicle at a junction. Additionally, you may see arrows painted on the road, directing you to the correct lane or indicating the flow of traffic. Understanding these signs and markings will help you navigate crossroads safely. Remember to always stay observant and follow the instructions provided by the signs and markings. When approaching crossroads, it's important to follow the correct approach and positioning. Firstly, be observant and look for any road signs or markings that indicate a crossroad ahead. Reduce your speed and prepare to stop if necessary. Position your vehicle to the left side of the road if you intend to turn left or go straight through. If turning right, keep to the right side of the road. Use your indicators to signal your intentions clearly. Always give way to vehicles already on the main road and watch out for pedestrians. Remember to check your blind spot and proceed with caution. Mastering the correct approach and positioning at crossroads will ensure safe and efficient driving. Before moving off, if you are turning left, please ensure your left indicator is on, and if it is clear on the right, then it is clear for you to turn left. If turning right, you need to ensure both ways of traffic are clear before turning off.